Hey everybody, Naveed here, and welcome to Home Wiring 101. Listen, electrical work, it's not a game, folks. We're talking about your safety, the safety of your family. That's why I'm here to walk you through the basics of home wiring so you can understand how it works and how to stay safe. Over these next few chapters, we're going to break down everything from the different components of your electrical system to the types of wiring you might encounter in your home. We'll talk about circuits, safety, color codes, all that good stuff. Remember, electrical work is best left to the pros, but having a basic understanding of how it all works, that's empowering. So let's get right into it. All right, let's start with the basics. What exactly electrical home wiring? Simply put, it's the system of wires, cables, and devices that bring electricity from the grid into your home and distribute it to every light switch, every outlet, every appliance. Think of it like the veins and arteries of your house, carrying the lifeblood of electricity to keep everything running. Without proper wiring, you wouldn't have lights, you wouldn't have your appliances, you wouldn't have this camera crew filming me right now. It's a complex network that needs to be installed correctly and safely to prevent any surprises, let's call them. And believe me, when it comes to electrical work, you don't want any surprises. Now let's get into the guts of your electrical system. First up, the service entrance. This is where the power comes in from the utility pole. You've got your service drop, the meter box, that thing the utility company loves to check, and the main breaker panel. The main panel is like the central command center, with circuit breakers or fuses for different sections of your house. These guys are your safety net. If there's a surge or overload, they trip and cut off the power before things get out of hand. And of course, we can't forget the wiring itself. Your hot or live wires carrying the juice, neutral wires providing a return path, and the all-important ground wire for safety. We'll dive deeper into those color codes later. Now, not all wiring is created equal. Depending on the age of your home and where you live, you might have different types of wiring lurking behind your walls. Older homes might have knob and tube wiring, which can be a fire hazard and should be looked at by a pro. Then there's cleat wiring, conduit wiring, casing and capping, each with its own pros and cons. Conduit wiring, where the wires are protected inside metal or plastic tubing, is generally considered safer and more durable. Remember, if you're ever unsure about the type of wiring in your home, don't hesitate to call an electrician. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Think of circuits like the highways of your electrical system.